Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Infinix Zero Ultra and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and here we have to find the security. Now let's scroll down to find advanced options, and as you can see on the second position we've got encryption and credentials. At the very bottom, on the other hand, we've got clear credentials option, so let's tap, and here your device will ask you if you really want to remove all the content, so just confirm it with OK. And as you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully. We cannot tap on this option, which simply means that for sure we removed everything. So basically that's all. This is how to remove certificates in your Infinix Zero Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.